Meaning of lawfulness.
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 Lawfulness. Lawfulness refers to the quality or state of being in accordance with the law, rules, or regulations that govern a particular activity or situation. It implies compliance with legal requirements or principles, as well as the absence of any illegal or unauthorized behaviors. In other words, an action or behavior is considered lawful if it is permitted by law and does not violate any legal provisions or ethical standards. The concept of lawfulness is important in various fields, such as business, governance, and justice, as it provides a framework for maintaining order, fairness, and accountability.